Hi there, it's Tina here from My Tutor, and you're watching the SAT Math Online Bootcamp. In this video, we're going to walk through typical SAT math problems step by step. These are hard problems that I'm working through in this video, and I am using the test 5 for the Bluebook. I'm in module 2, and I am in the module 2 with the harder problems based off of the predictive scoring from module 1. So if you do really well on module 1, these are the problems you're going to get for module 2. As we're going through, I recommend pausing the video when a new problem comes up. Try solving it on your own before I go through it step by step. Make sure, see if you could do it on your own. Whether you're reviewing or you're learning this stuff for the first time, you are in the right place. So I'm going to start on number 5 here. And to access the Desmos, you're going to click the calculator button within the Bluebook. I already have it pulled up over here just for easier for recording. And I would just graph these equations directly into Desmos. It asks for the solution to the system, and a solution is where the lines meet, and they meet at -2, -5. I can solve this algebraically as well. What I would do would be substitute. You'd have to probably use substitution. And I could do y equals 9x plus 13. Oops. And then in the second equation, I could do substitution and do 2 times y. I would plug that in where I substitutes for cy. 5x equals 18x plus 26. I would subtract and get -13. Why is my pen not working right? -13x equals 26. And divide by -13. I'm going to get x equals -2. So you can see you get the same answer. Whatever way you are more comfortable with is the right way to do the problem. Number 6, what is the range of the 7 scores shown? Range is the highest value minus the lowest value in your data set. So these are already in numerical order. So I would do 52 minus 23, highest minus lowest, and the range is 29. Time out. Quick interruption from the amazing math problems that you're going through right now to let you know just a couple things. First of all, if things are not making sense as I'm explaining the math problems, comment below because I'll get notified of the comments and I'll be able to help you out. If you need a little bit additional help, so up above is a link to the website where you could take a full diagnostic test, and I will go through and review your results from the test and give you some pointers. We'll set up a phone call, free phone call, to go through and give you some pointers. If you need even more help than just the quick pointers, there are also services that I offer on the website that can help you out and help you increase that SAT score. So have fun enjoying the rest of these math videos, and I'll talk to you soon. Number 7, 2 customers purchased the same kind of bread and eggs at the store. The first customer paid $12.45 for 1 loaf of bread and 2 dozen eggs. The second customer paid $19.42 for 4 loaves of bread and 1 dozen eggs. So you do have to write the equations for this one before you could solve it. I can solve this by elimination or substitution, whichever you like. Because we can use Desmos, I am just going to type it into here. I am going to make, just because this is on the XY coordinate plane, I need to use X and Y as my variables. So I'm going to do 12.45. I'm going to make the B's X plus 2Y. And I'm going to do 1942 equals 4x, plus y. And I'm looking for where they meet is the solution. My x value would be 3.77, which is one of the options, but don't fall for it because it's asking me for the price of the eggs. The eggs was my y value, which is 4.34. Hey, yay! Another let's use Desmos problem. Again, I can solve this algebraically and plug y equals 18 in and solve it. Why would you do that when all you have to do is plug this in? In case you can't tell, I am a big Desmos fan. And they want to know at how many points do these equations intersect? None. 0 is the answer. And another one. They don't know how much I love Desmos. What is the greatest possible value of x? Again, I could solve this algebraically. And on this one, I'll show you how you would do it algebraically, just to review that for math concepts. What is the greatest possible value of x? So it could be -9, but I want the greatest, which is -6. To solve it algebraically, again, I would set these two equal to each other. So I would get x plus 9 equals x squared plus 16x plus 63. I'd move all the variables to the same side. So I would get 15x and then subtract 9. So 54, Tina. And then I need to factor this. So what multiplies to be 54 and adds to be 15 would be x plus 9 and x plus 6. So that means x equals -9 or -6. So again, you get the same answers. It's just which way you are more comfortable solving it. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Hi, I hope you got a lot out of this installment of the SAT Math Online Bootcamp. I am here to answer all your questions. Go ahead and comment below. Or you can click above and you can be taken to the next video in this series. Thank you so much. I hope this helped you out.